What is cash alternatives in TD Ameritrade? Are you in the hunt for the top alternative investment? The best one we strongly suggest has an average increase of 920% in over 20 years and has overtaken shares in property with very little downside risks. If you are interested to find out what it is, then continue reading. An alternative investment is considered to be an investment product other than usual investments. The term usually refers to private equity investing, hedge funds, high-return mutual funds, and other non-traditional asset investments such as land, timber, art, antiques, and valuable metals. Alternative investments undoubtedly creates remarkable gains to the overall portfolio. They reduce risk and improve long-term performance. Alternative investments' inclusion into a portfolio of traditional investments helps a lot in boosting the overall portfolio profits. It also aids downside swings and losses. Nobel Prize-winning economist Harry Markowitz devised the modern portfolio theory in 1952, which emphasized the significance of portfolios' risk, the correlations between securities, and diversification. It basically underlines the concept of not risking all your money in one basket when investing and spreading the risk. Markowitz's work shifted the way that everyone invested. He pointed out how all the diverse investments in a portfolio can be predicted to move in relation to one another and how this influences the overall risk-return of the portfolio. No added diversification can reduce the portfolio's risk for a given return expectation. Alternately, no further expected return can be earned without increasing the risk of the portfolio. But if you opt to decrease the risk of your portfolio, you would want to select the right alternative investment because some investments are correlated and move together. For example, a selection of shares may go down at the same time in a bear market, but other assets may actually rise. Consequently, an investor should merge a number of non-correlated investments so the risk and reward of the portfolio will be stabilized. Growing land prices creates an investment opportunity. For the last 20 years, UK land has on average risen 920% in value. And this just represents the average. Investors who have been watchful in choosing their plans made enormous increases. Being one of the most heavily inhabited countries in Europe and a population steadily rising, the UK is in the brink of a severe housing shortage. There is a great demand in constructing new homes and land development. So if you decide to purchase land that could possibly acquire planning permission someday, you can absolutely make substantial gains. You don't have to be wealthy to invest. Even the small-time investor can take advantage of this opportunity and pick land as one of his alternative investments. In able to choose the land that has a high potential to increase in value, you have to make an intelligent investment decision. There are numerous specialist companies that will assist you in doing this. They do the research, give you all the details you need to know, and help you choose the best land.